Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why sometimes your ears just won't stop ringing? Like you've got a mini rock concert going on in your head, but without the fun? Yeah, it's annoying, right? I've got your back. In today's video, we'll dive deep into DIY solutions on how to stop ears from ringing. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! So, let's start with a quick understanding. What's this ringing all about? Scientists call it tinnitus. It's not a disease, but rather a symptom of something else going on in your ear or body. Don't worry, though, because the Harvard Medical School has shown that often it's just your body's reaction to loud noises or age-related hearing loss. That's simple enough, isn't it? Okay, so what can you do about it? Well, the first step is super straightforward. Avoid loud noises. Not kidding. The British Tinnitus Association had a study back in 2017 that showed loud noises can trigger or worsen tinnitus. So maybe rethink that front row ticket to the next heavy metal concert, huh? Secondly, let's talk about exercise. Yes, I know, it feels like exercise is the answer to everything, right? But it's true. Research from the National Institutes of Health in 2018 explained that regular exercise can improve blood flow, which in turn can help reduce tinnitus symptoms. So, the next time you're hitting the treadmill, remember you're also working towards getting rid of that annoying ring. Now, this one might sound strange, but try to relax. Stress and anxiety can amplify your tinnitus. According to the American Tinnitus Association, practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help. Try some simple deep breathing exercises. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold it for a bit, and then exhale gently through your mouth. Kinda like you're blowing out a candle, but without the birthday cake. Next, you may want to check your diet. Researchers from the University of Maryland Medical Center noted in 2020 that certain foods and drinks like caffeine, alcohol, and salty foods can trigger tinnitus. So, it might be time to rethink that second cup of coffee or late-night bag of chips. Lastly, try using some white noise. Yeah, you heard it right. While it might seem counterintuitive to fight noise with more noise, a research published by Johns Hopkins Medicine found that using a white noise machine can help to mask the ringing in your ears. It's like drowning out the annoying hum of a fan with the pleasant sound of rain. And there you have it, folks. The mystery of the ringing ears demystified. Remember, you're not alone. Thousands of people deal with tinnitus every day. Now you're equipped with some simple, practical steps on how to stop ears from ringing. But before you go, remember to hit that subscribe button, share this with a friend who might be dealing with tinnitus, and comment below with your thoughts. Till next time, keep those ears happy.